The difference between software-defined networking and network functions virtualization is they're both very closely associated concepts. Software-defined networking is really bringing this Web 2.0 centric model of centralized control over a data plane, in this case a network. So it's an architecture to split the two apart so you can control your networks. Network functions virtualization is the complement to that. And what it lets it do is they're trying to take all the big boxes that are hardware, special ASICs, and things of this nature. They're saying, we're done with that. What we want to use is commodity processors, commodity storage, commodity networking, and put a software stack onto it so we can choose the best-in-breed software and the best-in-breed underlying platform for our tasks.
I think software-defined storage and the infrastructure in general is growing exponentially. I think that what we're seeing is a commoditization of the hardware where the software becomes the integral part. Everything should be based on the ideal Intel-based platform, and the software should be the magic that rides on top of it. So that's what we're seeing, certainly in Nexenta, and I think we're seeing it as an industry growth pattern.
Today, storage solutions are locked into your data center. It's hard to take a physical box and put it in the cloud. Today, software-defined solutions allow you to create a platform that bridges all of that infrastructure, that unlocks that data so that you can use it when you need to use it, and gives you an overall platform that helps you reduce overall costs and is built on today's data center building blocks, which is around Intel architectures and solutions.
As you move to virtualized environments, cloud infrastructures, there's really this agility that needs to transform within your configuration. Right now it's manual, you have network operators going in, making changes. And with software-defined networking, you really get rid of that middleware. You're not getting rid of the network operators, you're really transforming them and allowing them to go do new innovation and new services and take on new roles.
It's clear that the business are moving much faster and they are totally dependent on IT infrastructure. So the service provider have this great opportunity to offer combination of cloud, to work with various vendors, to build services in the cloud, so that even the enterprises or end users can build their products faster and have faster growth in their business.
Well, clearly the service providers need to be working with Intel as they work on their new SDI and NFV solutions because of the great technologies that have been brought to market by Intel with the IA architectures, the x86, the advanced instruction sets that are available, the software-defined tools that have been brought to market for the developers, as well as partners of Intel like Dell who are able to take those technologies, put them into products and bring them to market that can be deployed and utilized in the real world.
6Win's software, which is called 6Win Gate, enables improved cost performance for both physical and virtual networking equipment based on Intel architecture platforms. So the benefit for us in partnering with Intel is that it enables us to bring the benefits of this software to these equipment manufacturers so that they can achieve this improved cost performance and pass that on as benefits to their service provider customers.
Intel for us as the Ceph community, the open source community, and for Inktank is accelerating the velocity at which Ceph evolves and emerges. There's Intel engineers right now are submitting hundreds of patches on different component parts of the storage platform, and we're very grateful as a community and as a company to Intel engineers for actually putting in the time to do this.
The whole data center transformation really started with the VMware vSphere bringing compute virtualization to x86 based servers from Intel. So in this software-defined data center, everything from Intel, from the servers on which our hypervisor runs on, to networking and storage, everything is really relevant to building this new data center.